Hello guys, welcome to my second tutorial of the series of the React Native, and in this tutorial I will tell you about the React navigation and how you can navigate between the different pages of the app. As in the last video we have made some basic changes and made the first app using the React Native, and let's get started for this second app. As you see in the last video we have made Pikachu Pika Pika, and we can do this by the navigate button and all. Okay friends, so let's get started. Before starting, we should have to type some commands here. So please select the PowerShell, please, because we have to do everything in the PowerShell, and we are in Pikachu. So navigate to Pikachu, as it is the folder name which I have given earlier. Write all this command below the video link so you can easily copy paste in your folder on this PowerShell. So type here npm install react dash navigation dash stack and put enter, and you see everything start. After React Native stack was installed in your PC, type the command, another command. Please do not skip any command, because if you skip any one, the work will not done. npm install react dash navigation and hit enter. It will complete in 1 to 2 seconds, and then we have to write another command. Okay friends, after that complete, just type the another command, which is npm install react native deanimated, then space react native gesture handler, then react native screens. Please be careful while you are typing this all with the spellings, or just copy paste from the link given below the video, because if the spelling is incorrect the thing may not work. Okay friends, or it will show error. So react native safe area context, and just hit enter, and the things will install very fastly. And okay friends, so come back when it all will be installed in your PC, and it is very fast. We have done it. Okay friends, so let's start the project. Let us start with the project. So for the making the different screens, we add a new folder here in the Pikachu folder, and new folder, you can name it anything. I'll name it src, and under src I will name it generate new folder which name it screens. Okay friend, in the screen I will generate new file. You can name it anything. New file which I name home.src, sorry, home.js, and put enter. So friends, for building a new app we have to keep in mind different things. Firstly, we have, for building a React app, we have to import some libraries and all things. So here I will teach you how to import everything. So first, import React from React. From React. Okay friends, and then put this. Then import text and style sheet which we use in this. From React Native. Okay friends, then we make a function constant which is equal to the home, you can name it anything, and equals to this is, we just generate a function here, not anything else, and here we return a text, just a text. Okay friends, we import just text. Here we name it as Pikachu Pika P. Okay friends, and I have done with this. Then we have to style this text. Okay, so I will determine a constant which name it as styles equals to style sheet dot create, and in the style sheet I have to create any constant value which I will determine all the things. Text, I just put it here font size, anything you want, I will keep it 20. Okay, and just this, and here I will close this tag. We have to also export this app, export default home. Home is a constant which we have taken here, which it will return when it is called. Okay, so let's come back to our app.js file and just remove all these things, because we have to navigate from the src screen folder to here. Okay friends, so we just import something, import create app container. I will also provide my git so that you can easily copy paste my code so that you can feel some easy ways. So okay friends, from React navigation, then import create stack navigator, create stack navigator from React navigation stack. Oh, sorry for this. Okay friends, and then import, we will import the home variable which is in this directory. Okay, src hash screen hash home.js. okay, so which we return there, we call it here home from dot backslash src backslash screens backslash home. Okay friend, we have import everything. So firstly define the constant, I will name it Sayam. You can name it anything. Create stack navigator. We got it here. And just start out things. Here we call some variable which is give the value to it and set the screen in it which is home. Okay friends, and in this we have to put another thing which is initial root name. Okay friends, so we have to provide initial root name. I will provide it home. This one which we have done here, put it here. Okay friends, then comma, then default navigation, so that navigation option, and provided a title so that you have some title over the head. I will keep it as Pika. Okay, then we just return it, export it, export default, create app container, and in the app container I will put this constant which I have taken here, which is Sayam. Okay, and we have all set. Just save it and save home.js also, and open your terminal which is node1 simple one, and type here expo start, and it will start your project. Okay friends, here it is started to build your app. Oh, there is an error here, React navigation in stock. Oh shit, we have put in spelling mistake, so here we put navigation, and here also we have to keep font size S capital, style sheet S capital, and style sheet S capital, and in the text we have to provide style equals to styles dot text dot text. Here text is this which we have written below, and we have just completed it. Okay, and we run it again over our server expo start. We have, and here it show Pikachu Pikapi. Finally we have completed it. Let's try to change it to 30 and just save and see our emulator, its font size change. Let's change it to 50 and control S, and emulator, yeah, it increase. Okay friends, so here I end up my video. Try it, and if you find any error please comment below. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel for this. Thank you friends for watching.